Google's VR2 is one of the strongest AI video models out there, especially when it comes to text to video. In this video, we will take a look at how to use VR2 on Google's AI Studio platform to create cinematic videos. Additionally, I will share tips for improving VR2 image-to-video performance and compare it with other state-of-the-art AI video generators like Clink version 2 and Runway Gen 4. Let's get started. You can find link to AI Studio in the description down below. Once you visit the page, ensure that you selected video generation. From the left-hand side, then you visit AI Studio. If video generation or video 2 is not available, you probably need to wait a little bit because they are releasing things face by face. The O2 model on AI Studio generates 720p resolution videos and maximum 8 seconds. When it comes to prompting style, as you can see from examples, you can simply use natural language. For example, I wrote, create a video of a realistic, fast-paced kung fu fight in a courtyard. The camera circles around them in a low angle. I will hit run and View2 will generate this video. Keep in mind that you can also attach an image and use this image for image to video production, which we will come in a second. Let's run this prompt. One important point. It's not possible to chat with model about this video, meaning that you cannot change subject or you cannot change aspect ratio by just talking to the model, as we saw similar to Gemini while creating images. We will simply be able to give instructions and commands. But here, of course, it's not possible. At least for now, when it comes to video output. It is not exactly the kung fu fight in my mind. It doesn't look ultra realistic, and the dynamism of the scene is very low. I will jump to image to video, which I believe most of the people are more interested in. We can upload an image and ask View to animate that image. So I wanted to upload this image with 2 people walking in a historical setup, but I got an error that video does not currently support uploading images with which people, is a shame. So for the sake of demonstrating instead, I will add another image where it doesn't include human. I added this image. And you will remember from the prompt battles that V02 was really struggling with image to video in comparison to other state-of-the-art models. That's why to fix the V02 results, I will leverage ChatGPT-03 for prompt enrichment. In order to do that, I'm adding same image to ChatGPT. So I wrote this prompt, act like an award-winning stenographer. I will provide you main subject motion, and you will provide me an enriched prompt detailing motion of all elements in the source image. You also provide me some negative prompts to prevent poor results. This is very important because, as you can see, V02 supports negative prompting, and we need to use these negative prompts to improve our results. I provided a basic subject motion, which is jellyfish swims in the deep ocean. In return, ChatGPT provides me a very detailed prompt and a negative prompt I can copy-paste. And I'm pasting my negative prompt right here. I hit run, and V02 starts to generate the video for me. And here's the result thanks to enriched prompt. We get much more dynamism in the scene. And here you can see a comparison of the VO2 output with Clink and Runway. I think V02 did a good job with its enriched prompt. And I'm uploading another image of a Wolf with the basic motion. Wolf runs, camera follows. And I had enriched the prompt. And I sent this, so now ChatGPT will generate for me one main prompt and some negative prompts. Very quickly, I'm uploading same image to V02. Copy-pasting my enriched prompt. And I'm not forgetting my negative prompt. And with this prompt enrichment, as you can see, we were able to bring V02 results closer to Cling and Runway Gen 4. And you will realize that there is a daily quota for V02. If you generate so many videos, then you will hit the limit. But then if you come again tomorrow, you can generate more videos.